Hi guys, today we're doing another video. We're doing another video today. It is on the Volvo. It is frosty out here, and I will show you guys as well. I've already unstuck the front door. This is stuck, look. I've already unstuck the front door though. Let me weather stripping. It's fine. Thought I'd done taking that for a minute. That's all good. Because if you're not careful, you can ruin your weather stripping. This is cold as well. It's cold evening. Might be about -1 or -2. -1 when I got in here. Might be colder probably. Most likely colder. I'll stay. Right. Stopped it. Right guys. First function is hidden diagnostics in this Volvo V70 radio. First hidden one is this. Hold that in and turn the radio on. You'll be displayed with this message, set to default. You can adjust some things here. Rich lock, rich. Turn language and all that. Speed radio control, hide that on. And onto high. That will start to engage about, start to turn up about 60 miles an hour. Yeah. Then to save, press that in, then press it again. There you go. Right. Press rewind button and turn the radio on. You'll be displayed with this message. Display check. You can do display checks. Pixels are good. Display check. And you press it again, you get more distant displays. Lots of different displays. Then to go back, my arms do ache. Voice check, beep check, DTC check, volume. Don't use volume check, it's not very good. I did make a big mistake with this earlier. I went into it, you saw it at first one, when you press that in to go in, but don't do it, then press it again, the volume goes up really loud, so don't do that. So just letting you know for that. CD7 audio off. Don't know what that says. Stop adjust. AFC adjust. No, that says then. Press previous track button and turn the radio on. Right, you'll be displayed with this message. And to go for it, use the same method. You go into there. I'll show you this really quickly. And then after that, switch the radio off. It says speed, it's in kilometres, and it'll say the volume as well. Plus 82, minus 80. Here you go. Then to go back, do the same thing again. You go through it a little bit. DAB settings, you can other settings. I'll let you have a look through the others. SRC. It is night time, it's frosty as well. Base limit. It's not what that says. See all the steam. And to exit, just click on that exit. And you're back to where you are. So you can go through more. There you are. Right. Hold auto and turn the radio on. You'll have this message. Right, main 27, sub 27. I'll show you through this. Main A, sub A. There you go. Hold source knob in and turn the radio on. You should be displayed this, and this is to adjust the rear speed. If you use that, it will put you back to the radio. To go for it, use that button. That's for all the rear and front speakers. And that's that. And then just exit like that. And just exit like that. Please like and subscribe, and right, that's it. I'm just going to go back into the house, lock up the car. It is really freezing. I'm actually really, my hands are all frozen. It's really cold out here, guys. It's really cold, this is. And it is night as well. It might cool it down in the morning. No. And let's lock up. We have done a key upgrade, by the way, if you're wondering. You don't fit this lock properly. I'll just show you that. It's not going to go in there, but we're just going to lock up. And there's the Saab. We've been using the Saab lately. Let's get in. Please like and subscribe, and right, that's it.